Are you a contemporary wood furniture trend follower? Just as in other fashion items, there is what's called wood furniture trend. Contemporary wood furniture trends reflect a dynamic interplay of aesthetics, functionality, sustainability, and cultural influences. As society evolves, so too does our approach to design, and wood furniture has adapted to meet the changing needs and desires of consumers. The current landscape of wood furniture is marked by an emphasis on minimalism, natural materials, multifunctionality, and a deepening awareness of environmental issues. These trends not only shape the appearance of our living and working spaces, but also influence how we interact with our environments and the values we embrace. One of the most significant trends in contemporary wood furniture is the rise of minimalist design. Characterized by clean lines, simple forms, and an emphasis on functionality, minimalist furniture serves to declutter spaces while promoting a sense of calm and order. In a world that often feels chaotic, many people are drawn to the serenity that minimalist designs offer. Wood, with its natural warmth and tactile qualities, provides a perfect medium for minimalist furniture. The absence of excessive ornamentation allows the inherent beauty of the wood grain to shine through, creating pieces that are both elegant and understated. This simplicity resonates with individuals seeking to create tranquil environments that reflect their lifestyle choices and personal philosophies. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can use in your home or office decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Within the minimalist movement, there is a growing interest in the concept of less is more. This approach encourages consumers to invest in fewer, higher quality pieces that are designed to last. Rather than filling spaces with an abundance of furniture, individuals are increasingly opting for signature items that serve multiple purposes. This shift not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a room, but also promotes sustainability by reducing the demand for mass-produced goods. By choosing well-crafted wooden furniture that combines beauty with practicality, individuals can create spaces that are both stylish and functional, embodying a thoughtful approach to consumption. Another prominent trend in contemporary wood furniture is the embrace of natural materials and organic forms. As people become more aware of the importance of connecting with nature, there's a growing appreciation for furniture that reflects the beauty of the natural world. This trend is characterized by the use of raw and unfinished wood, showcasing its unique characteristics and imperfections. The tactile quality of wood, with its varied textures and colors, invites touch and interaction, creating a more immersive experience within a space. Natural wood finishes, such as oils and waxes, are gaining popularity as they enhance the inherent beauty of the material while allowing it to breathe. These finishes maintain the organic look and feel of the wood, inviting a sense of warmth and authenticity into homes and offices. Furniture pieces that celebrate the natural grain patterns and knots become focal points within a room, telling a story of their origin and the craftsmanship behind them. This emphasis on natural aesthetics is not only visually appealing, but also reinforces a growing desire for authenticity in design. The trend towards organic forms is also evident in the shapes and silhouettes of contemporary wood furniture. Curved lines and soft edges create a sense of fluidity and comfort, breaking away from the rigid geometric forms of past design eras. These gentle shapes evoke a sense of approachability, encouraging interaction and engagement with the furniture. This organic approach is particularly appealing in spaces where relaxation and connection are paramount, such as living rooms and bedrooms. By incorporating furniture with softer lines and natural shapes, Individuals can foster an inviting atmosphere that promotes well-being and harmony. Sustainability has become a cornerstone of contemporary wood furniture trends. As environmental concerns continue to rise, consumers are increasingly seeking out furniture that reflects their values and commitment to sustainability. This trend encompasses a range of practices, from the use of reclaimed wood to the sourcing of materials from sustainably managed forests. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has gained significant traction as it not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to furniture pieces. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries its own story, imbuing the furniture with a sense of uniqueness and charm. Additionally, the demand for sustainable practices has led to an increased focus on transparency in the sourcing and manufacturing processes of wood furniture. Consumers are becoming more discerning about the origins of the materials used in their furniture, seeking out companies that prioritize ethical practices and environmental responsibility. This shift is prompting manufacturers to adopt more sustainable practices, from utilizing eco-friendly finishes to implementing energy-efficient production methods. As a result, consumers can make informed choices that align with their values, contributing to a more sustainable future. Incorporating multifunctional designs into contemporary wood furniture is another trend that reflects the evolving needs of modern living. As urban spaces become smaller and lifestyles increasingly demand flexibility, furniture that serves multiple purposes has gained popularity. Pieces that can transform from a coffee table into a dining table or from a bookshelf into a workspace exemplify this trend. The ability to adapt furniture to different functions not only maximizes space, but also enhances the overall utility of a room. This trend towards multifunctionality is particularly relevant in home offices, where individuals are seeking to create productive environments without sacrificing comfort and style. Desks that can be adjusted for standing or sitting, combined with storage solutions that blend seamlessly into the decor, exemplify the desire for versatility in modern workspaces. By embracing multifunctional designs, individuals can create spaces that adapt to their changing needs, allowing for a more fluid and dynamic lifestyle. In addition to functionality, the integration of technology into wood furniture is becoming increasingly prevalent. As smart home technology continues to advance, furniture that incorporates technological features is gaining traction. For instance, desks with built-in charging stations or coffee tables with integrated speakers are examples of how technology is being seamlessly integrated into furniture design. This trend not only enhances the convenience of everyday tasks, but also reflects the growing importance of technology in our lives. The intersection of technology and wood furniture also raises interesting questions about the future of design. As furniture becomes more interconnected and responsive, designers must consider how to balance the organic qualities of wood with the sleekness of modern technology. The challenge lies in creating pieces that not only serve practical purposes, but also maintain the warmth and authenticity that wood embodies. This evolving relationship between technology and wood furniture promises to yield innovative and exciting designs that cater to the needs of the contemporary consumer. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can use in your home or office decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.